just come through this sketchy trail. Oh, I just fell. You good, Nate?
That was like,
Oh, jeez.
you okay? You okay,
Is Sam good? Alright, so heating them up. You should have your helmet on. Turn me that. Yeah. Oh. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Getting ready to start a new video here. It's the next morning. If you didn't catch yesterday's video, or a few days ago for you guys, we went down and saw the horses on the Outlaw trails. But we're gonna start a new video here. I'll take you through the lineup real quick and show you everyone that's with us. We have a gentleman by the name of Gary Stevenson showing us around. He guides down here. He said he's going to put us on some good stuff, so I want to give him a huge shout out. I'll link all his information below, but he's rocking this KRX here. Says he's got about 8,000 miles on it. And his little sidekick dog there, which is pretty cool. We have this KRX here on X-Rock tires, Voodoo cage. This one here, 35 Zillas. This is Nate and Rochelle, husband and wife here. And then of course we have mine and Sheri's and Scott's, and doing a lineup in the Yamaha R-Max back there is joining us again today, so should be a good time. What we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 machines, a couple KRXs, some Can-Ams, and a Yamaha. Should be a good time. So we're gonna get loaded up, head out, and we'll see you out on the trail. First stop of the day. Have a tree in the way, gotta cut out of the way. Good stuff. He comes prepared, popped right out, grabbed a chainsaw, started cutting. This is awesome. That made quick work of that. Oh yeah. Looks a little froze over. Solid sheet of ice. I'd imagine this stuff is a lot better in the summertime when it's not solid ice. Definitely doesn't disappoint on the views. Wow, what's this? Oh, that's cool. Hopefully he stops because I want to check this out. Yeah, he saw me. Man, this is cool.
You gonna stop for a second?
Yeah. Check that out, guys. Coop, you want to pull this up there so everyone can keep going? I'll have him pull up so everyone can kind of come in. Hey, this is pretty cool.
That ice makes it a little different.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is one of the ones you said you wanted to see.
Yeah.
Beautiful day.
That is awesome.
I tell people all the time, this is my church.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I love
This is all you need.
This is my favorite place out here.
Man, check that out, guys. That's how cool is that? Man. Wow. Many years of that water running through there probably chewed through that rock. Yeah, it does.
That's the first time I've ridden this and it completely frozen like that.
It's pretty cold. Don't fall and keep your helmet on. That's pretty cool.
This is awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. What do you think about that, Sheri?
Hey, watch your fall.
You should have your helmet on.
Yeah. It is a true story. I like this.
This is so cool.
This is pretty cool, isn't it? I'm loving it. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
What do you think about that, Coop? That's pretty wild, isn't it? Hey, you know, I think it looks pretty cool in the summer because I've seen pictures of this, but I think it's even better when it's froze over.
No, that is awesome.
No.
Get it.
No, Dad, you broke part of it off in your outfit.
Oh no. Alright. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. He said we're gonna go up here and check out this rock crawl trail. Hopefully it's not froze over, but given the time of year it is, it's probably gonna be a lot of frozen stuff. This trail would be awesome if it wasn't froze over, but it's still pretty cool.
It is really cool.
All right, we'll go see. I think we're headed to a rock crawl trail, so we'll go check that out and see what that's all about. There you go. I didn't hit it near hard enough the first time.
Being the first one through is,
Oh yeah.
it can be a little sketchy every now and then.
Oh yeah. This is her first time driving this side by side. They just got it for Christmas. It was a nice rim. Good thing you're between two rocks, huh?
Huh?
Good thing you're in between two rocks, huh?
That was what?
These are 370s coming up through
Crazy,
here.
not stupid.
Oh, geez, he's in a bad spot. Hey, Tim, go this way and hit it harder. Oh, oh.
This one we just opened up this past summer. It's been sitting down for years. Trees in it and stuff.
Just a little bit. Back up, driver. A little bit. He's in a bad spot. Okay. Now I'll go this way.
Let's get a winch on him to that tree and pull his front end around a little bit.
That's it. That's what I did. I hit it and I slid over into here. I didn't hit it near hard enough to get me past this slick spot. All right, moving on. Woo, that's slick. Still recording in case I fall. Okay, I ended the video right there. We're gonna start over here. I'll get out of the cab and film this spot. Ooh. Uh-oh. Wow. Holy cow.
That was a bad idea, Sam.
Wow.
You okay? Yeah. You okay, Sam?
Is Sam good?
What can I do to help you out here?
Holy cow. Hey, that's the wrong line. Don't take that line.
Yeah, don't go that way.
I'll take this.
man, he's being a good sport. Oh, dang. Okay. Good thing the dog was harnessed in.
Let me try to get it from up there.
All right. Hey, there's a really good tree that we can snatch block to right there.
Something like that. I could probably get that. If you want me to. You come out down there?
I think, Coot, where you at? Let's get a thumbnail. We're gonna come up here and get a thumbnail.
All right, now what can I do?
What do you think? Good thumbnail right here? Man, I hope that's not what I do when I come up through here.
What do y'all need? I can grab your hand if you want. I'll grab my snatch block.
Yeah, if we just a snatch block and then we can winch right back to them.
Just a Y? Run them over and back?
I would say, yeah, just take the winch up through the snatch block and right back to his machine.
Hey guys, that's the wrong line.
All right, we're gonna get a thumbnail here, and then we're gonna get him winched over.
Come get some. Come on, baby. Didn't even spill my coffee. Hell yeah. Throw my cooler everywhere, but didn't spill my coffee.
What the leak does, it dumped it out.
We wanted rowdy, we definitely got rowdy.
We're gonna have to take
Spare
one
parts.
sticker from yourself.
Back in action. Woo. About took his saw out. I don't know if you can hear him on the camera or not, but he's hollering, hooting and hollering. Good job.
It was right there. It's like, he's laying just like this. You just get more throttle.
He definitely hardcore.
Man, I think what happened is his tire got down in here and his back tire climbed that and it just pushed him over. Yeah. I'm going to try to hug this side a lot more.
Actually, a good idea.
Yeah, and then hit this straight on. And don't step in the water, it's cold.
I did it already.
Yeah.
All
I
right,
was getting ready to
I'm
pull it
up.
out, and Cooper's like,
We'll see
Maybe we should
how
leave it there.
we'll
I'm
see
like,
how I make out. Hopefully
probably a good idea.
I'm not on my side too.
Come on, let's get up here.
All right, Jesse's up. Let's see if he fares out any different. Nice job. Uh-oh. Yep. There you go. Oh. Almost.
That's jamming in there.
Yeah.
See if you can lay that log in front of his tires up.
Yeah, he's all right now. Nice job, Jesse. All right, this next spot's a pretty good one too. Try. Hey, Jesse, hold up 1 second. Careful. All right, go ahead. All right, this spot right here is kind of nasty too. Nice job. Excellent, excellent job.
Alright, that was a good time. Got Sheri up now. We'll see what she's got going on. She's got the 32 stickies, CT Raceworks lowers, Halo 30 and Turner axles. Looks like she's taking a high side here. Nice line. Section up through here. I think Gary, the one that's leading us around, I think he said that we might be some of the first ones coming up this, which is really cool. I think Sheri's up there. Who we have next? Scott coming up next? Yeah, we got Scott coming up next. We'll be back with him coming up through here. All right, we got Scott coming up through here. He's got a nasty CV clip on the driver's side. It's been bent for a while. I think I might even have showed it on the Walden's Ridge Windrock video. I zoomed up on it, kind of going like this. It's been bent for a while. It's he said he'll be lucky to get through the weekend with it, but we're about to find out. It's got a nasty click to it. I don't know if it'll come through on the video or not. Tight for a 72 to go through there. Nice job.
I almost fell over like 4 times.
Just standing there?
Yes.
That doesn't surprise me. Who do we got next?
I don't know. I don't know who's next in line.
What vehicle?
KRX.
That's right. We got Nate up in the KRX. We'll bring oh no, we're gonna bring another KRX through here, see if we can't get a repeat. I'm gonna come down here, get a little bit different angle for you. That sun is in a really bad spot. Try to keep you out of the sun. "35" sticky Zillas. Driving.
Good job, buddy. Nice.
Nice. Good job.
Very nice.
Now she has X-Rox tires on hers?
They're 37s.
Are they 37s?
Yes.
They didn't look like 37s.
Yeah, it's
Holy
because
cow.
of the rim. The wheels
Okay.
are real big. I don't know if they're 18s or 20s.
Is she coming up through or is Nate driving it?
I don't know.
Okay. Is he? Okay. It'll be interesting.
First day. This is my first day.
Yeah. Yeah. Now I'll be surprised to see if those tires do any different.
Yeah, I don't know anything about those tires, to be honest.
Me either.
X-Rox.
They must measure small for a 37 because they definitely don't look 37.
I think it's the wheel really throws you off because it's so big.
I'll have to take a look at it. Okay. We got Nate up again in his wife's machine. This is her first day, so we're not trying to push her too hard, but same driver, same machine. It has 37-inch X-Rox tires on it, but he said they measure just over 35 inches, so they're smaller 35. We'll see if they perform any different than the Zilla. I'm gonna say this has to be tire.
I agree.
Yeah.
Hey, he walked right through it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that rock there didn't too big.
definitely where the Zillas shine. Nice job, nice job. That was a good hit.
That's the biggest downfall. Get that side by side.
That made it through all right. No, it didn't do that bad. Little bump in the beginning. That was it.
Grip over here on that bank.
Yeah. I don't know what they look pretty inflated too. I don't know what PSI they're at. All right, we got Tim up next in the R-Max with 32-inch 370s, right?
Yes.
Okay, 32-inch 370s.
Okay, he's got Zillas at home.
Yeah, he's got Zillas and axles, Turner axles at home. He didn't get them put on yet, but
I think he's going to do okay.
I think he will. It's wet.
Yeah, mine's wet.
Is it
So
old?
unfortunately, I messed up, or the camera messed up, and I missed Tim coming up through here.
Killing it, killing it.
He killed it in the R-Max.
Yes. 370s.
Yeah, 370s. One-shotted it the whole way through. I feel so bad.
I feel bad too.
That was such a highlight seeing this R-Max come up through this with ease, and I hogged it up and missed the shot, so I apologize. My bad. But take our word for it. He came up. The R-Max handled its own, did a very good job. Man. Sorry, guys. Coming. Just finished off that trail. We come out of that trail right there, and he's got a flat we're fixing right now. It's got some plugs and stuff. Compressor. Atkins Cemetery Road is where we're sitting at the intersection of. But we're gonna fly the drone. We'll let you see what the drone looks like. We'll get you a shot of that. And
That's a good puncture.
we'll see you back here in a minute. Outro.
Peace out.
That's it.
I don't know what you want me to say.
Hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage there. we're gonna end this video off here. We got his tire fixed up. We ended up putting a sidewall slug on it, and we're good to go on that. If you enjoy these types of videos, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. And we're gonna go out and see what else we can find for you. Check out our Facebook page. You can grab some merch on there. And we're ending off the video. Scott, anything you want to say? Recap.
That trail we just did was phenomenal. I loved it.
Hopefully we can find some more of those.
Yeah, that was just that trail was worth my trip.
Yeah,
it was awesome.
It was definitely a lot of fun. Get with Gary, get some trails that he has. None of the trails that we hit were on my map.
No.
So these are, you know,
Yeah,
you kind of just have to know them.
Yeah, you just need Gary to help you out.
Yeah. So shout out to him. Thank you. We're working on some new shirt designs. Those will be coming out really soon. And we're gonna load up and see what else we can get you. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. A couple more days, you'll see another one pop up, and we'll see you on that one. Thanks for watching, guys.